computer vision. What is computer vision? Computer vision is the science of extracting information from the images. It is often abbreviated as CV and defined as the field of study that seeks to develop techniques to help computers see and understand the contents of digital images such as photographs and videos. The problem of computer vision appears simple, but it is solved because it is solved by pupils, even very young children. Nevertheless, it largely remains an unsolved problem based both on limited understanding of biological visions and because of the complexity of vision perception in a dynamic and nearly infinitely varying physical world. Basically, the computer vision duplicates the abilities of human vision system by electronically understanding an image. These images data can take many forms such as video sequences, views from multiple cameras and medical scanners, etc. So basically, what is the difference between computer vision and human vision? So normally, when the goal of computer vision is to understand the contents of digital images, typically this solves developing methods that attempt to reproduce the capability of human vision. Understanding the contents of digital images may involve extracting a description from image, which may be an object, a text description, a three-dimensional model, and so on. Computer vision is the automated extraction of information from the images. Information can mean anything from 3D model, camera position, object detection and recognition to grouping and searching image contents. So what is the difference between computer vision and image processing? Computer vision is distinct from the image processing. Image processing is the process of creating a new image from an existing image, typically simplifying or enhancing the contents in some way. It is a type of digital signal processing and is not concerned with understanding the contents of an image. A given computer vision system may require image processing to be applied to a raw input, e.g. pre-processing image. Example of image processing includes normalizing the properties of an image such as brightness or color, cropping the bound of the image such as centering an object in a photograph, or removing the digital noise from an image. So, but the computer vision is in computer vision, an image or video is taken as input and the goal is to understand what are including in this image. To understand the image and its contents, computer vision use image processing algorithm to solve some of its tasks. The main difference between these two approaches are the goal. For example, if the goal is to enhance an image for later use, then this may be called image processing. But if the goal is to emulate the human vision like object recognition, defect detection or automatic driving, then it may be called computer vision. So what is the challenges of computer vision? Normally computer vision helping computers to see turn out to be very hard. The goal of computer vision is to extract useful information from images. This has proved a surprising challenging task. It has occupied thousands of intelligent and creative minds over the last 4 decades, and despite this we are still far from being able to build a general purpose seeing machine. One reason is that we do not have a strong grasp of how human vision works. Studying biological vision requires an understanding of the perception organs like the eyes, as well as the interpretation of the perception within the brain. Much progress has been made both in charting the process and the term of discovering the tricks and shortcuts using by the systems. Although like any study that's involved the brain, there is a long way to go. So what is the applications of the computer vision? Computer vision has a wide variety of application, both old and new. Old means mobile, robot navigation, industrial inspection and military intelligence. New, for example, human computer interaction, image retrieval and digital libraries, medical image analysis and the realistic rendering of synthetic scenes and computer graphics. So some of the computer applications are artistic effects. Artistic effects are used to make image more visually appealing, to add specific effects, and to make composite images. Medical imaging means localization using near infrared images. Face detection, many new digital cameras use face detection. Object recognition, face recognition, facial expression recognition. Camera mouse, basically the camera mouse can detect your head motion and move along on the computer screen. Instead of using a mouse, built-in cameras looks at you and track a spot on your face. If you move your head to the left, the mouse moves toward the left, and if you hold the pointer over the spot, a click is issued. Anything you can do with a mouse, you can do with camera mouse. Speaking with eyes, normally the computer senses your eyes and notices the eyes movements. When someone blinks, the computer would click something. Looking into the side or raising eyebrows are some way to communicate with your eyes and the computer. There's also the eye gaze detection that detect when you are trying to move too. Also computer vision is used in robotics.